Hey friends, in this video I am going to share to you on how you can get the Gate browser Softpedia into Windows. So the Gate browser Softpedia, this is a lightweight and easy to use web browser that will offer you a good browsing experience. This is also light on system resources, and it also clears the history and cookies automatically for your browser. So let's go quick into the process on how we can download this lightweight browser. Now, in the Windows search bar, open another browser like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Google Chrome. I'm going to open my Microsoft Edge browser. Then here in the search bar, just type Gate Browser Softpedia Download and then hit enter. Now you will find the first option from www.softpedia.com. Gate browser 9.1.0 C download screenshots Softpedia, a lightweight and easy to use web browser that offers quick clean history cleanup and protection against cryptocurrency mining malware. Now you have to click on this. And you will get this button Gate browser download now, but you are not going to click on this button. Rather, you are going to click on this free download Gate browser. Now you have to click on the free download. Then here you have here Gate browser download link. So this is the link, and this is a 63.5 MB file size. This is also a free browser that we can easily download into our Windows. So what we are going to do is we just need to click on the Softpedia Secure Download US. Now your download should start automatically in a few seconds. So the installer file will be downloaded right here. Now you have to remember that if there are any other applications that will be downloaded while you are downloading the Gate browser, then you have to uncheck those applications that will be downloaded together with the Gate browser. Now if your Gate browser installation has been opened right here, then you just have to click on this. Then simply make a right click, and this will be installed into your Windows. So you just have to click on install. And once this is installed, then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button, and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.